Come on. Shoulda had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slap. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low. Seen nothing that'll make me go this crazy on like spinning my dough. Had $1 million vibe in the butter to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, drinking Xano. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did a thing I seen, sure they get low. Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Work the pole, I got the bang bro. I'ma say that I prefer them no clothes. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her more. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shorty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slap. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shorty got low.
Hladno gore, a? Da se zakašljalo gore, duva vetar. Jesi, dobro?
Jesam.
A vas be? Malo vam se nešto razmazalo, ali ne, dobro, neću da se nešto... Da čujemo šta kaže žiri?
Žiriju je drago što su se zadihale ove devojčice, to znači da su stvarno pokazali, da su pokazale svima svoju energiju koju su nosile na ovom nastupu, jer ipak treba se uznojiti i pokazati malo te energije i onda naravno će se zadihati ovako, zato što su super igrale, naravno.
Hvala.
I samo nastavite tako. Dobro. Sad Anja i ja pozadi sedimo, sedimo 3 put, stojimo i komentarišemo i tako raspravljamo. I stalno mi kaže, kako možeš tako, šta ispituješ ti, šta tebe briga, vi stari uvek sve kvarite. To su tajne, kada je ljubav u pitanju, je li tako, to se ne